Ladies and gentlemen, I am Sarah from iBuzz channel. It is with great pleasure that I introduce our distinguished guest speaker for today's event. Thanks to join me in this studio Susan and Jason, an esteemed AI expert who will undoubtedly provide us with enlightening perspectives on the past, present, and future of artificial intelligence. Hey guys, have you ever thought about the lesser-known capabilities of AI that people might not be aware of?
Actually, AI has many intriguing aspects that are not widely known. One of them is its ability to generate creative content.
Really? How does AI generate creative content?
Well, AI can be used to produce visual art, music, and writing. For example, there are algorithms that can create paintings or illustrations based on visual patterns learned from renowned artists' works.
But is the output comparable to human creativity?
That's an interesting question. While AI can generate engaging content, some argue that human creativity involves emotional and interpretive dimensions that are difficult to replicate by machines.
Additionally, there's the AI's ability to craft narratives. Some research has resulted in algorithms that can generate fictional stories with logical plots and diverse characters.
But how can AI understand emotions and the complexity of human characters?
Actually, AI doesn't truly understand in the human sense. They learn from data patterns they've been fed. So while AI can create structured narratives, their capacity to feel emotions or have a deep understanding of humans is still very limited.
Another intriguing aspect is AI's ability to create new drugs. By analyzing molecular structures in clinical data, AI can help identify compounds that hold potential for treatments.
That could certainly expedite drug discovery.
Yes, but of course, AI-generated drugs still need to go through clinical trials and rigorous regulations before they can be used by humans.
So even though AI has many fascinating capabilities, there are still limitations and challenges that need to be addressed.
Absolutely, we need to be wise in managing and harnessing this technology.
Agreed. By understanding its limitations, we can maximize the potential of AI without neglecting human values.
As we bring this insightful discussion to a close, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to Susan and Jason for sharing their profound knowledge and expertise in the realm of artificial intelligence. Thank you for being a beacon of knowledge and innovation in the AI community.
You're welcome, Ms. Rebose.
You're welcome, Miss Abos.